tastes like the stuff Mum gives us. I think it's parsley. I'm gonna go get the other piggies so they can see if it is. Honey, I think this is parsley.
Let me go and have a taste.
Me too, Mika. Looks yummy.
This is yummy, Mika. Thanks for showing us.
You're welcome, guys. I hope this fills your belly. I'm sure it will, Mika. It's really yummy. I just had a taste. I think there's lettuce as well, Mika and Nib. Really? That's your favourite. Let's go have a taste. I love this. Nibble, come over here. There's lettuce. Okay. Ooh, it's really yummy. I think I smell more. This is all going into my tummy. Get out the way, guys. There's only a few more pieces left. This one's mine. No, it's mine. Nibble, there's no more left. Oi, stop trying to take it off me. Sorry, honey. I found some more. Now my head was out of control. Is there any more? Let's go have a look. Oh, I don't think there is. Maybe there's some over here? Or over here? Mummy gave us some carrots and some more celery. Nib, there's celery. It's my favourite food. We're gonna eat all of this. The other ones are so silly. There's more celery and carrots over here. I gotta keep this as my spot before the other big bucks come and eat it. Bye!